Hello guys, today we will be learning about the while loop actually. So let's just change the name of our file. We just worked on this in the last tutorial. So I'm gonna name it while loop actually .py. Don't forget to add extension at the end of the file name. Here we go. Let's just make it bigger so you can see it clearly. So guys, let me tell you first the difference between the while loop and the for loop. For loop actually is the iterator where we don't define the limit. Actually we do define the limit, but when we talk about the while loop, actually while loop iterates the items, iterates your numbers, iterates your number of rows, iterate anything you want till the condition is true, till the condition meets the your pre-made condition, pre-built condition, then it stops. Otherwise it keeps iterating the items. So this is the actually basic difference between for loop and while loop. Let's just get our hands dirty in the coding so you can understand what I'm trying to explain you. So let's see, we want to iterate. No, actually let's make a variable called breaker. Give it any value. I'm gonna give it 5 or maybe 10. It's up to you, whatever the condition you want to set. And then while the breaker is less than 100, print breaker. So guys, we have a variable which is equal to 10. Then we are going to loop through, or we are applying while loop, which is pretty much clearly saying that when the breaker, which is 10 less than equal to 100, then keeps printing breaker. So let's just run it, save the program. Oh my god, we have an error. So we forgot to add a column. So let's run it again, but I'm sure I will get error again. Yes, this is the problem working in Python, that if we don't follow the indentation, then we surely will get an error. Let's run it again. Yes, you see guys, it keeps printing 10 10 10 10 10 because we did not ask this program to stop. You know how, if we keep printing these numbers, then it will kill our hard drive memory and it can crash our computer or laptop or machine. So we will give it a condition. We will actually increment it so it don't keep printing 10, so it can increase this number. So when this number increases or reaches the 100, then it will break this loop. So we will write breaker plus equal to 1. So this is the pretty much condition. Actually condition is this: breaker is less than 100, but we are not incrementing 10, so it will not reach the 100 until we increment this breaker variable. So by this statement, breaker plus equal to 1, we are incrementing breaker variable. So every time it loops through, so it will increment 1 into the breaker, which is initially we have 10. So when when this breaker reaches 100, so this program, this while loop will know that breaker has reached to reach 200, so I need to break, I need to finish. So now guys, you will see the output, which will be 10, 11 to 99. Then it will break, it will stop printing the breaker variable. So this is awesome actually. So you see guys, this program started from 10 and it ended at 99. You know why it stopped at 99? Because we added a condition less than, not less than, equal to. If we add equal to as well in this condition, then it will break at 100. It will break, it will keep printing until 100 comes. It will print also 100. So let's just run this. So this is the 100. So guys, you see, whenever we want to uh, print, or we want to iterate something until the condition meets, then we use this while loop. So this is pretty much about the while loops. Let's repeat it again. While loops are the loops which iterates the items until the specific conditions comes true. So in our program we took a variable breaker and we put equal to 100, then we apply a while loop. This is a syntax of applying while loop. While loop, write a keyword which is you can see it's orange, so it clearly means that Python has allocated this while as a function or as a keyword, reserved keyword. Actually you can say it's a reserved keyword. We cannot use while in anywhere in our program for some other reason other than this iteration. So keep it this in your mind. So we took a variable which is 10, we applied a while loop. We this while loop is saying that if breaker is less than equal to 100, then print this until the condition, until the breaker reaches to 100. So this is pretty much easy actually guys. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I hope to see you in the next tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel which is Breakbug. Thank you.